Hi, my name is Kirk.Blair. Welcome to Guaranty RV here in Junction City, Oregon. I'm going to show you this Jayco. It's actually a 2017 pre-owned piece of inventory. We do sell these new. It's a 175 RD. So it's a 17-foot house with a rear dinette. It is a Baja edition, and so it's going to have some nicer features that other ones aren't going to have, it being a Baja. It's going to have a larger propane tank. This had 2 batteries on it. There is storage here for them. This is going to have the 2 front stabilization jacks for when you're using it. The non-Baja doesn't come with that. It is only Baja, and also comes with a diamond plate down the side. And the Baja edition have basically flipped axles. It's something Jayco does, and it's going to have the larger wheels and tires on here, so for more off-roading, gravel roads, camping in more remote areas and hunting, things like that. Couple nice little features about this unit. The other side has your hookups, and this side here you got a nice storage bay underneath the rear dinette. We like storage and bringing all our stuff with us. This has a power awning on it. For a nice small unit, a power awning is pretty awesome. Outdoor speakers. You're gonna have your furnace and some electrical hookups and your fridge access out here. Let's go ahead and jump inside and take a look at this guy. So right when you come in, you kind of turn to the left here and you have your kitchen, decent counter space, your stove, your cooktop I should say, your microwave, monitor panel. And then as you make your way to the back here, it's actually pretty large as far as the dinette goes. There's a lot of room here to entertain, hang out, have dinner. This also makes into a large bed back here, so that we have 2 beds. Because if you turn around the other way as well, behind you as you walk in, there's also the front bed. Now there is storage under that front bed as well, and then there's also a bathroom in here too that has a tub and everything included, as well as a full bath you'd expect to be able to use and have as a luxury when you're camping. Something like this is very lightweight as well. It's not super heavy, but it also has ample storage and space. Let's kind of have a seat here and I'll show you. If you notice, this has this front window, makes it feel much larger. It's got storage as you move around in here, storage across the top, storage on the side, a nightstand, and this and that. So a couple other things, if there's any curious questions or anything out here at Guaranty, my name is Kirk.Blair. I'm happy to help you. My personal cell is 541-601-8742. Hope you're having a great day.